Dr. Zakir Naik, you're a big help. I have one more question. I'm a bit confused between the two verses in Quran. The first one is in Surah Baqarah 62, which says that if you believe in one God and believe in the last day and do good deeds, you shall have nothing to fear on the day of judgment, and you will get your reward with your Lord. Mind it, in this surah, it doesn't say that you have to believe in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as the last messenger. And there is also another surah which supports this, which is the 22, chapter number 22 and verse number 17, I think, in which it says a similar thing, that those who believe in one God, who believe in the last day and who do good deeds will be fine on the day of judgment. But then there is also one more verse in the Quran which says that whosoever amongst you comes to me without the religion of Islam, it shall not be accepted of him, and he shall be among the losers. So in that last verse, does Islam mean believing in one God and believing in Prophet Muhammad and believing in all the other rituals? Or because Islam means submission, so whoever has submitted, is submitted. So, what's the meaning of Islam in the last verse?
The brother asked a very good question. He's quoted a verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 62, that all those who believe in Allah and believe in the last day, irrespective whether they are Jews or Christians or Sabians, they shall have no fear, and inshallah, they will have the reward. Similar thing is repeated in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5. So brother is asking that here the verse doesn't mention believing in Prophet. If you read the context of this revelation, brother, what happened? People came to the Prophet and said that we have been Jews, we have been Christians, we have been Sabians. Can God forgive us? In that context, the reply was given, as long as you believe in Allah and the last day, irrespectively previously, whether you are a Christian or a Jew or a Sabian, you will get the reward. It does not mean today a person who says he's a Christian and who believes Jesus is God, he will go to Jannah. No, it does not mean that.
Not Jesus is God, believes in one God.
Believes in one God. But if they believe Jesus is God, then they won't go to Jannah.
Then it's fine. But my point is, believes in one true God.
Correct. So he has to believe in one true God. And if he believes in true God, he also follows the commandment of God.